everybody! I've just showered and I'm feeding Andrew some bananas, so I wanted to show it because it's so cute. Got some banana. You ready, buddy? Ready? Ready? Oh! Hey! I got some banana for you. There you go. Yum. Oh, and then he looks down at the bowl and he wants more. And he watches me get it. Oh, ready? Andrew Wesley. Andrew Wesley. Yum. He's still learning how to like swallow food besides like milk. Huh, buddy? Is that so yummy? Ready? Andrew. Oh, yum. Good job. Yeah. Okay, you ready? I know. It's kind of a big bite. See how you handle it. Yum. Handled it like a champ. Okay, so Andrew absolutely devoured this banana. He had half of a banana, and now I gave him his favorite little teeter cracker. It's his favorite. I don't want Josh to hear me, but I am going to do a little prank on him today. Nothing big, nothing where I like go out and buy stuff or like do it like to him, but so hang on. Good job, buddy. So Josh and I both agree that we do want more kids. We are just fine with waiting another like 1 to 2 years to even start trying for another one again. We are so fine with like just having him. But like the last couple days I've kind of been saying stuff like, what if we just like didn't wait that long, or like what if we just had another baby? So I'm gonna be putting my phone somewhere where you can hopefully see him, but where you can just mainly hear us. And I'm just gonna like not let him know that I'm recording. And I'm just gonna say like, I really want to try for another kid, like tonight. Like I want another baby. And I just want to see like how he reacts at first. I don't think that he'll believe me, but I'm just gonna keep like going at it like, I want another baby, I want another baby. And so if he kind of has like a bad reaction or like a no, like stop, it's because we've already talked about this and we already like agree that we don't want any more babies right now. But I'm excited to see like what he says. I'm gonna be pretty like nervous if he actually says like, fine, like let's have another baby, because I really don't want another baby right now. But yeah, I just thought it'd be funny to like prank him a little bit. So he's getting a little impatient sitting in this, but I just had to show you how messy. I don't even know how it's on your foot, kid. I know, you know. So we're gonna go give him a bath now. Okay. Wow. He's tired and ready for his nap, so we're gonna go lay down together. Okay, Josh just woke up we're not going anywhere because he's tired. But I'm still gonna tell him. I'm still gonna prank him. So. Hey, put your phone down. Put your phone down.
What?
Because I want to talk to you about something.
What?
Can I stop taking birth control tonight?
What? No, we're not having another kid.
You don't want to have another one?
Allie, were you serious?
Yeah.
No.
I want another kid. I want another baby.
No.
Why?
No.
Why?
Stop.
Why? I
You're
want
dead
another
serious.
baby. I'm dead serious. I want Andrew and any other baby we have to be super close.
You gotta wait at least a year.
No, why?
Because you earned it.
Why not just right now?
Allie,
What?
you're lying right now.
No, I'm not. I'm dead serious. I'm just
messing.
nervous. I'm nervous to
messing
tell
with me.
you. No, I'm nervous
messing
because
with
I don't
me.
know how you're gonna answer.
No.
Why?
No.
Why?
No, Allie.
Come on.
You just had him.
Yeah, I know. And don't you want him to be super close with his siblings?
Yeah.
Why?
No, not right now.
Why?
Allie.
What? Why? 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 You don't want two babies in bed with us?
Not right now.
Why? Why not? If we had another, like, if I was to get pregnant right now, they would be like, Andrew would turn a year, and then I would have the baby like 2 months after that. So it'd be like perfect because they wouldn't be born in the same
Allie.
month. Why?
Stop. No.
Why?
Just wait.
Why?
Just wait. Enjoy
Why?
him.
I am enjoying him, but he's gonna be so old so fast. Like,
really, he's not even a year yet. It's only 6 months.
I know, but it's gonna happen so fast. Like, he's already like not a newborn anymore, and just like watching all these other YouTubers like having babies,
Yeah.
it just like is so exciting and just makes me want to be pregnant and have a newborn again. Why?
No.
Why? Why?
Nope.
Why?
Nope.
You're not gonna give up on no?
Nope.
Why?
Just need to wait a little bit longer.
Why? How much longer?
Like 6 more months.
Like 6 more months? Six more months is too soon. What's wrong?
I ain't gonna have a kid right now.
Do you think I was being serious?
Yeah, obviously if you're serious, chill out.
Did I get dad? Did I get... I'm gonna spit up on you.
You're such a turd. Oh yeah, drool on me. Oh.
Okay.
Take 'em.
So it's 2 days later. I am taking Andrew to the beach today because it's finally sunny out. I will show you guys once I get out of the car what this looks like. I don't know, it's just sunny out today and it's been rainy and I just really needed to get out. So we're gonna go on this walk. Hopefully I can find how to get down to the actual beach. I'm so excited to do this with Andrew. We took him to the beach when he was about 2 weeks old. We went to Half Moon Bay, but it was pretty cold out and I was still like healing and everything, and he was obviously just asleep the whole time because he was still a newborn. So now he's almost 6 months old and I'm taking him again, and I'm so excited because he gets so like interested by stuff, and so I'm really excited to see how he reacts to it, and hopefully he like gets excited. Andrew's ready, huh buddy? I'm in full mom mood. I got the baby on the front, diaper bag on the back. Just grabbed a blanket that we can sit on when we're down there. And let's go. So, I found a way, well, I found the way to get down to the cove. It's called Kirby Cove. A mile walk that looks like this. I was by the ocean back there. It's near San Francisco, so it's right outside of San Francisco, so it's still cold. So we're all bundled up, but I'm just so excited to bring Andrew. I got my blanket to go sit on the beach with him, just listen to the ocean, and just spend the day together outside. Oh, do you love it here? Are you so happy that the sun is out? In certain seasons of the month, you can camp here. Not sure which way to go now. Let's see. Oh, we're almost there, Andrew. We made it. There's the Golden Gate Bridge. And here we are. We got him in his little shark shirt for his day at the beach. Aww. What do you think? You want to feel the sand? Let's see what he does if he feels the sand. We are gonna put his feet in the sand for the first time. Ready, buddy? Oh, look at how cute. Hi, beach baby. Andrew, are you at the beach? You want to go see the ocean? Let's go see. Every time a wave crashes, he looks back at the ocean. He can hear it. He sees it. Do you see the ocean? You want to go feel it? It's cold. It's cold. Yeah. I'm not letting him put his feet in the water because the water is freezing. But I do let him stand on the sand. Buddy. Ooh. We're loving it. I think he loves the beach like his mom. Do you? He does need a diaper change though.
Spent all of our time outside all day, doing whatever we like our way. Didn't need a wall to build a new space. Every moment just came together like 2 feet hanging in the water. A few trees stood a little taller. New breeze feels so good. Can't help but remind me that it was a good day. Yeah. Not much to do but just lay around. Yeah, it was a good day. I'm so glad the sun stayed around. Yeah, it was a good day. Not much to do but just lay around. Yeah, it was a good day. I'm so glad the sun stayed around. No more school, no more rules, no more room to feel these blues. You and views all afternoon. Look at all the time we don't have to give up. Everything we're giving is enough. Moments fit together.
We made it back to the Jeep with a 14-pound baby that you're carrying plus the diaper bag. So that was kind of rough, but yeah, that's gonna be it for the video. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.